Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and welcome to our CAD program. Update muna tayo mga kapatid.
Update ngayon!
So nag-announce ang Meralco ng increase sa kilowatt charges which is 0.15 pesos. And this is additional cost sa mga charges as of June 11. So mga kapatid, pag-iingatan po natin ang ating consumption sa electricity. So punta tayo sa top 3 tips.
Top 3 tips!
Tip number 1, check your cooling system, ang iyong air conditioning, electric fan and all, and see na efficient ang kanilang usage. And tip number 2, ang ating mga chargers and appliances that are not in use, and turn them off. And tip number 3, your laundry routine, ang inyong paglalaba, especially if you're using washing machines and all. At tayo po ay maging mapagnuri at mapagmatsyag sa ating mga pag-consume ng energy, pantayan natin at tayo ay maging effective dito.
X Factor!
Bakit nga ba ang mga Filipino are mahilig sa consumption of electricity? This is what we call as present bias. Dahil okay, turn on your aircon sa malakas, turn it on sa maximum now, and then just pay the charges later. So hindi tayo nag-think of what's gonna happen in advance, no? So consume lang, and then later on bahala na kung paano may raraos ang pambayad. So this is one of those na nakasanayan natin right now, which is something we might need to adjust as well if we are looking forward to energy consumption which is regulated.
Power Minute!
So Islamic POV tayo. In Islam, what we call israf or pagsasayang or putting things to waste or pag-aaksaya is not recommended in our religion. And so I'll see you again next time. It'll be kayo. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
See you next time!